Students, welcome back to your computer class. I hope you all must have understood your chapter 1. Now we will understand chapter 2 more with Microsoft Word. So the first topic which we will understand is headers and footers. So what is header and what is footer? The text which is printed at head of each page in a document is known as header, and the text which is printed at the foot of each page in a document is known as footer. सो जो भी टेक्स्ट पेज के ऊपर प्रिंटेड होता है उसको हम बोलते हैं हेडर, एंड जो भी टेक्स्ट विच इज प्रिंटेड एट द फुट दैट इज बॉटम ऑफ ईच पेज इन अ डॉक्यूमेंट इज नोन एज फुटर. सो header and footer are used to add document name. If you want to add any document name, we will use header and footer. If you want to add any page number, then we will use header and footers. If you want to add any modified data, that means we want to modify any data and then we want to add it, we will use header and footer option. If you want to add chapter name or if you want to add any date to any document, then we will use header and footer options. So the document given on the right contains header as the name of the software and the footer as the name of the topic. So सॉफ्टवेयर के नेम से होता है हेडर, दैट इज ऑन द राइट ऑफ द डॉक्यूमेंट, एंड फुटर इज as the name of the topic. Okay students, so next topic is inserting headers and footers. Now how we will insert headers and footers? So we need to follow certain given steps. Okay, so step 1 is click on the insert tab. So we will find insert tab over here. Okay, we will click on this, then click on header option in header and footer group. So one header and footer group will open and we need to click on header option. A drop down menu option showing the style of header will appear. So drop down options will appear, drop down menu will appear, and we need to choose any style. Okay, then click on blank style or choose any other style. Then we can click on any blank style or we can choose any other style of our choice. The header will be placed with the blinking cursor. So you will find that the header will be placed with the blinking cursor. Okay, next step is type the text which you want to apply as header. Then we can type the text. Okay, so जहाँ blinking cursor होगा वहाँ पर automatically text enter होता जाएगा as header. Now click on go to footer option in the navigation group. Now we can go to footer option in the navigation group, that is here. Okay, so the cursor will move to the footer area. Type the text of the footer, then the cursor will go over here in the footer area and we can type the text which we want to add as footer. Then the last step is click on close header and footer option in the close group. The header and footer will be visible in the document. So we will click on close header and footer option. Here it is. Okay, in the close group. So we will find the desired result. Now comes the next topic, inserting date and time in headers and footers. Okay students, so to insert date and time in header and footer, we need to follow certain given steps. Okay, first step is double click in the header or footer area of the document. On any of them, either on header or maybe footer, we will double click. Okay, so here it is double clicked on the header option. Okay, so click on date and time option in the insert group. The date and time dialog box will appear. We will click on date and time option in the insert group. Okay, like this, and we will find that date and time dialog box will appear. Next, click on the style which you want to apply. You can apply only date or time or both. Okay, we will choose any style of our choice. Okay, and we can apply only maybe date or maybe only time or maybe both. Okay, date and time both. Click on OK. Then we will click on this OK button. Click on close header and footer option in the close group. Date and time will appear in the header. So in this close group, again like the previous one, we will click on close header and footer. OK, and we will get the desired result, the date and time. OK. Okay students, the next topic is mail merge. Mail merge is a feature in many word processor. So mail merge is a feature in many word processor. It allows the user to create a large number of documents from a single template form and a data source well structured. So what does this do? It helps the user that we can create large number of document from a single template form. Okay, from the same single template form we can create many documents. Okay, and a data source well structured. In a structured form we can create large number of documents. It also helps a single user or a person to send a single email to a group of different people. Okay, so it helps a single user that we can send the same email to a group of different people, like you all do. If you want to send a particular message to many of the people or maybe to a group of different people, what you will do, you just copy and paste it, or you may forward it and you may select the contacts, right? So it is the same. Data source is used in mail merge to record name, address, city, telephone number, etc. about the recipients. So the data which we need to send to multiple people or to maybe to different groups of people, we may have the data. Okay, so this is held by data source in mail merge. Okay, we can record names and address, telephone number, so that we can send a single template to group of people. Understood? Okay, students, now the next topic is creating a mail merge document. So if you want to create a mail merge document, how will you create? We need to follow certain steps. Okay, so step 1 is open Microsoft Word document and type the letter that you need to mail. So first of all you need to open Microsoft Word. Okay, and then you need to type whatever you want to mail. Okay, click on mailings tab. So you will find mailings tab over here. You need to click on this, then click on start mail merge. Then you need to click on this start mail merge. A drop down menu will appear. As you can see, a drop down menu will appear. Click on step by step mail merge wizard. You need to click on step by step mail merge wizard. Then a mail merge navigation pane will appear on the right. You can see this mail merge navigation pane. This will appear. Click on letters. Now from these we will choose letters. Click on next starting document option under step 1 of 6 section. Okay, so we will click on this next from step 1 of 6 option. Okay, and last step is click on use the current document option under select starting document section. Now we will click on use the current document. Okay, from select starting document. The mail merge document is now been created. Okay, so now if we want to create recipient list, we need to follow these steps. So click on next select recipients option under step 1 of 6 section. As you all have done it earlier over here, you need to choose this. Okay, then click on type a new list option under select recipients section. Okay, you need to choose type a new list option. Click on create option under type a new list section. Then you will have to click on this create. Okay, a new address list dialog box will appear. As you all can see, this list will appear. Type the new address list and fill in the fields. Click on OK. Then you will type these new entries and then you will click on OK button. Now the save address list dialog box will appear. As you all can see, this dialog box will appear. Type the name of your contact list and click on save. Now your contact list is saved. So you can type the name of this list as my friends or my office. Okay, so now click on save. This will get saved. Okay, now mail merge recipients dialog box will appear. By default, all the recipients are selected. If you don't want to send the mail to any recipient, you can deselect it by clicking on the checkbox. Click on OK. Now your recipient list is created successfully. Now this list will appear, and if you don't want to send it to any single person, you can click on this checkbox. The tick mark will disappear and then you can send it to others and you can click on OK. Now the next topic is inserting merge fields. Now continue from where you left, okay, and follow the given steps. Okay, so first of all, click on insert merge field option and write an insert fields group in mailings tab. So you need to click on mailings tab and select option write and insert fields group. Insert merge field dialog box will appear. Okay, so this box will appear. Then select the list of fields that you want to insert. Click on the first field name and then click on insert. It will be inserted at the point where the cursor points. Now all the merge fields are inserted in letter. Now whatever you want to insert in the letter, you can choose it, like the name of the person, first name, last name, address, city, state, zip code and so on. You may click on this, like suppose city, then you will click on insert. So wherever your cursor is, at that place the city name will be inserted. Okay. Okay, now the next topic is viewing merged data. Now if you want to check that the data is correct or not, or it has been obtained from the right source or not, okay, so you need to follow the same steps. After that you need to follow these steps. Okay, continue from where you ended before, okay, and follow these given steps. From there onwards only you have to follow these steps. Click on preview results option in preview results group in mailings tab. The first recipient's detail will appear, so you will click on preview results. Okay, so whatever or whichever name is there, first recipient's name is there, the result will appear. Like over here it is Amrit Kaur. Okay, now to check the other recipients, click on the next arrow in the preview results group and keep on clicking till all the recipients you have viewed. Okay, so like this, if you want to see some other recipients record, you all can click on this button. This is the next button. Okay, so for better understanding, you all can see this picture. If you want some previous record, you may click on this till you get that record. And if you want to go to first record, you can click on this. If you want to go to the next record, you can click on this button. And if you want to go directly to the last record, you can click on this button. Students, so the last topic is printing letters. As you all have learned how to create mail merge and add recipients list, so now your letter is ready. Let us now learn how to print the letter so that we can send them. So we need to follow certain steps, okay, so that we can send the letter and we can print the letter first and then we can send it. So click on next, complete the merge under step 5 of 6 section. Same, click on this. Then click on print option under merge section. You need to click on this print option. Then merge to printer dialog box will appear. This box will appear. Select the records to whom you want to send the letter. You may select among these. Like in this, it's been already selected as all. Click on OK. Now you may click on OK. The print dialog box will appear. Select the printer to print from and click on OK. Now the letters will be printed. So this box will appear. You may select the printer, how many pages you need to print, and so on, and you will click on OK. So it will print the letters.